Hello everyone. Today, I will show you different ways on how to automatically add serial numbers in Excel. With a serial number you can have a unique identity to each entry of your data. The sad news is adding them manually is a pain. It's really hard to add a number in every row one after another. The good news is there are some ways which we can use to automatically add serial numbers in a column. By default, in a spreadsheet, you have row numbers which act as a serial number for the data. If you don't want to use serial numbers for filtering or any other purpose, then it's better to use the row headers. Otherwise, follow these methods to create a separate column of serial numbers. Use fill handle to add serial numbers. To simply add serial numbers using fill handle you can use the following steps. Enter 1 in a cell and 2 in the next cell downward. Select both the cells and drag down with fill handle up to the cell where you want the last serial number. Once you get serial numbers up to your requirement, just release your mouse from the selection. Note, this is not a dynamic method, you have to insert serial numbers again when you update your data. Fill series to automatically add serial numbers. Now let's say you want to automatically number rows up to 1000 or 1 million and you want to do this in a one go. Maybe it's a pain with fill handle, but you can use fill series to generate a column with serial numbers in a one go. Here are the steps. Select the cell from where you want to start your serial numbers and insert one in it. Now, go to Home tab, then Editing. In the Fill option, select Series. In the Series window, do the following. In the Series option, select Column. Set step value to 1. Set stop value to your preferred last serial number, let's say 1500. Then click OK. Now here's the generated serial number. Note, this method is also not dynamic. If you want to extend the list, you need to insert serial numbers again. Row is an effective way to insert serial numbers in your worksheet. It can return the row number of a reference, and when you skip referring to any cell it will return the row number of cell in which you have entered it. Here's the simple steps. Go to cell A1 and enter the equals row formula in it. Now drag the formula down, up to the serial number you want. Take a note that if you are not starting your serial numbers from row 1, you have to add the count of rows in the formula which you have skipped. Generate serial numbers by adding 1 in the previous number. Here's the steps. Enter 1 in the cell from where you want to start your serial numbers. In next down cell, enter formula equals A1 plus 1, A1 is the starting cell here. Drag this formula to down up to the serial numbers you want. This is a dynamic method, you just have to drag the formula when you want to add a new serial number. Using COUNTA is a nice way to add serial numbers to your data. By using it you can actually count your data entries and give them a number. Follow these simple steps. Enter the following formula in the cell from where you want to start your serial numbers. For example, your first data entry is starting from B1, enter below formula in A1. Equals COUNTA, open parenthesis $1 colon B1, close parenthesis, then hit enter. Drag down the formula up to the serial number you want. The benefit of this method is it will return blank if you have any blank row in your data. Add Roman numbers as serial numbers. If you want to add Roman numbers as serial numbers, you can use the Roman function with row. Follow these simple steps. Enter the following formula in the cell from where you want to start. Equals Roman open parenthesis, row open and close parenthesis, then close parenthesis. Drag down the formula up to the serial number you want. Dynamic serial numbers for filters. This lets you have serial numbers in a data table, and when you filter some specific data from it, it show you actual serials. Follow these simple steps. In the first cell where you want to start your serial number, let's say A2, enter the formula equals subtotal, 3, $B$2, B2, then hit enter. Drag this formula down up to the serial numbers you want. Note, whenever you filter data it'll show you serial number according to the filtered item. This covers different ways of automatically adding serial numbers in MS Excel. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.